Ring Making Kit. Complete DIY kit. Measuring, bending, cutting, adjusting, setting for custom jewelry. Precise sizing kit. Comes with 7 dies, 12, 14, 16, 20, 22 mm, 60 degree, 90 degree, and a storage tray for neat organization. Durable metal tools. The ToAuto kit features metal ring benders and dies for lasting quality and a dependable use. User-friendly for novices. Easy assembly and a die selection for bending rings. Suitable for beginners to craft personal jewelry. Versatile applications. This kit enables efficient creation of various jewelry shapes. A great gift for a custom ring for loved ones.